no one dry at all. Under neon signs we laugh and we stall, dancing in puddles like we're standing tall. Thunder roars but we don't take cover in the storm, together like no other. Lightning strikes, our hearts flutter, two broken umbrellas and the sky to discover. Chaotic and wild, drenched to the bone, broken umbrellas feel just like home. Laughing and shouting, we're not alone. In this crazy rainstorm, we finally grown. Night turns to morning with soaked shoes, wander through mist with nothing to lose. Street lights flicker, giving subtle clues. Broken umbrellas, same old blues. The wind's whispering secrets we can't ignore. We're drenched and yet we want more. Hear the city's heartbeat through the downpour. Rain-soaked lovers on an endless tour. Two souls in rainfall, twists and curls. With broken umbrellas we own the world. Stormy skies, our love unfurled. In a downpour, our dreams swirl.